Let me show you guys how I achieved my favorite 3 eyeshadow look. This eyeshadow only includes 3 colors and I think it's really pretty and very beginner friendly. First, we're going to apply a base to our eyelid. Your eyelid can be an eyeshadow primer, it can be a concealer, but your base is going to help your makeup to look more vibrant on your skin as well as be easier to pack on colors. For me, I'm using a cream concealer that's a little too light for my complexion as my eyeshadow base. And then taking my finger and just kind of blending it out. The warmth of my finger will allow the concealer to blend easier. Alright, the base is applied. Now eyeshadow number 1 needs to be an eyeshadow that is similar to your complexion. For me, I'm going to be using a face powder because a face powder is technically an eyeshadow and it's the same color as me. It needs to be a similar complexion to you so that it allows your other eyeshadows to blend out seamlessly. You want to take a fluffy brush, dip it into your eyeshadow or face powder, and you want to apply this above your crease. For me, I'm using windshield wiper motions. Now take a paper towel and your eyeshadow brush and go ahead and clean off your brush because we're going to be using the same brush for our crease color. So for my crease color, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to be using this color right here, which is kind of like this crimson burnt orange color. It's very pretty. I'm going to take that, dip it into my brush, lightly tap it for any excess powder, and I'm going to go and apply this to my crease. And to pack on this color, I'm using small circular motions. Now you want to blend out any harsh lines with your brush. Now it's time to apply your third eyeshadow, which is your lid color. I'm using my Too Faced Pretty Bitch palette, and I'm taking this light gold color right here and applying this to my lid. And you want to make sure you're only applying this to your lid, which is below your crease. And I want to also point out that I am using a eyeshadow brush, which is going to make it easier to apply this color to my lid because it is a dome shape, perfect for applying only to your lid. Once you have your eyeshadow look, you can go ahead and apply some eyeliner, mascara, and optional, you can apply lashes. Now, if you apply your crease color a little too high, which I feel like I applied mine a little too high, super easy fix. All you have to do is go in with some concealer and blend it out. If you want a super bright eye look, take your lid color and take a pencil brush, apply that to your tear ducts and your lash line. And then cleaning off that pencil brush and going in with your crease color and applying that to your lower lash line, the end of it. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going in with some setting powder. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the color medium deep. And of course, dusting off any excess powder with a soft, fluffy brush. Don't forget your mascara. I always apply this after I apply my concealer and my setting powder, just so I can have the blackest bottom lashes possible. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipstick and my lip liner. And I did get some new lipsticks from YSL, and this one is 124 Rose Shine Oil and Stick. So let's see if this color matches me. And then make sure you do the lip trick so you don't get any lipstick on your teeth. And of course, finishing off with a little bit of setting spray. So this is the finished look. If you like this look, be sure to thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or tutorials that you want as far as makeup. If you guys want more beauty tips on how to look and feel your best with minimal time, effort, and money, be sure to check out my free class link down below or the link up here. It'll be somewhere for you. So I'll see you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and of course, stay blessed. Bye guys.